Here we go. See if I can try and hold this thing. And this is fucking crazy. It's crazy to be at this point now where it's like, we've been working on this thing for a couple of years. Doing the clip chop, putting the S10 front end on, fitting the body back on, then it turned into an engine swap. Then it's like all the supporting mods around it and everything. It's been a big task. It's probably coming up on like 2 years now, or somewhere around there. So, yeah, there's a lot of anticipation for getting this fuel system set up, and I might have to get the trans lines finished first before I can actually try and start it, but it's close. Like, in the coming days, I should be able to start it. Can't believe that. So, well, here we go. That's held up a little bit by something.
Lots of prayers.
Oh, you got it? Okay, cool. Let's say I got a big old screws-y driver.
Oh, we are free. She's ready to get lowered.
Alright. The world's longest fuel line snaked under us. Coming out. Yep, should just go out now. You got room.
Oh, I'm still snagged on something.
Oh, are ya?
Yeah. There we go.
Okay guys, this is awesome. So the fuel lines are now connected to the firewall. They're draped down still, but I've got to make the connection, put the last couple of fittings on, and make the connection to the back of the Sniper EFI, but it's basically done. Once I make those connections, then we're going to start priming the fuel system. So this is pretty awesome. Now, if you're installing a Sniper EFI, you're following our build, give you a little tip on which way is which. The fuel inlet is on the driver's side. The fuel output is on the passenger side. So it's actually like works perfectly in the way that I've oriented the lines coming from the back. Is that the feed is on the driver's side already. It's already like kind of running along smoothly without having to like, you know, jump over each other, twist and turn. So that's kind of serendipitous. So I guess we're gonna prime it pretty quick here. Let's make these last couple connections, and I think we're gonna get to test and see if we got leaks, which I really hope we don't. Pump kicked on. Sweet. Oh, Jesus. We got gas. So that didn't work at all. Well, I mean, the fuel system worked amazing, but the little can I'm trying to collect it in didn't do shit. Okay. Well, hey, we got gas up at the front. All right, let's hook up this line. See if we can pressurize the system. Also, holy crap, this floor dry works amazing. Better than other stuff that I've got. So, you know, check out SuperClean. They've got floor absorbent that is more than just like kitty litter style. It's got something else in it. It's got like almost looks like more of a sand. It's finer, so it absorbs it a lot faster. That's pretty sweet. Okay, let's hook this up. Pressurize it and not have leaks. Heard bubbles somewhere. Yep, I think that's the only one. Yeah, so we got one. We got one here. That is definitely letting out some drips. I don't think that it's the threads, because you can spin the little base. So I don't think I pressed this one on hard enough. So what I'm gonna try and do is pop it off, and then I'll try and push it in a little bit further. We'll try this again. And if that's not the case, then I'm gonna clip this one and then repress on another fitting. Okay, let's try it this way. Got a little piece of rubber. It's not gonna compress into my hand. Did we get it? Oh, I think we got it. Sweet. I don't know what. Like, that is a very good point. Having a fire extinguisher is a good idea. Okay, so we know it's in.
You got oil in it?
Yep. Yeah, let's go through a checklist. Okay, so engine oil, transmission oil. Spark plugs are all plugged in.
Fuel lines all tightened down.
Fuel lines, yep, they've been pressure tested.
Vacuum lines all hooked up. For the ones that you do have.
That's actually a very good question.
Is this just a vent?
That is a steam pipe vent.
Okay,
so
I can just hang out then.
yep, so that's for the coolant system. The wideband is plugged in. Both coolant sensors are plugged in. Grounds.
Redone.
Yep, grounds redone.
Okay.
No belt, but that doesn't really matter.
You just turn it over.
Yeah. And everything's out of the way for rotation. And I'm shoved as far forward as she'll go, so it should be park. Let's here, push back. Okay, and now I'll pull forward. Yep, that's park.
Still gonna stand off to the side just in case.
I would, please do. Yeah.
All
right.
To this side, just in case.
So we're turning a motor over?
Yeah.
Dude, I really hope that we get a victory beer and not a like, now I gotta work on more stuff beer. Cool. Nothing spraying all over the place?
No, so far so good.
Okay. Here we go. Holy shit!
Fired up.
It fired up, dude! Oh my god, man!
That's awesome.
I need a high five for that one. Hell yeah, dude!
Freaking sweet.
Oh man, alright. And I heard that they do this. They'll start and stop a couple of times.
Oh yeah, it's probably trying to adjust everything and all that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's actually blowing a little bit of fuel out of the top now.
That's weird. Okay.
Oh, just from that long crank too, there might be some fuel sitting in there.
Yeah, there might be. She started!
First time in 2 years.
Holy shit, dude. First time in 2 years, yeah. Ugh. Wow. Okay. Time for a beer and a podcast.
Oh yeah.